camera on.
To make up the studio is a place where we come together to co-create, and where we make stuff for the festivals. This is also like an office space. Like here we have the office space, and over there we have the workshop where we can weld, sand, paint, and everything. This place is mainly to work on the app, the website, administration, copywriting, all of these different things. Yeah, we have at least like place over here for like 6 people to work, and Valparaiso style probably 12. So yeah, so you can see that what the Valparaiso side is. It's here, and the side of my lovely neighbor is here. It's Dominique, his side. He makes monuments. It's very big. We don't have really a lot of things going on at this moment because I think from today the studio we can call it like finished. So this is the work table over here, yeah, we do all the welding, all the woodwork, and this is the toilet. It's Dominique invention. You get the toilet. Oh yeah, now it works. Yeah, the thing down. We needed to build a skate around it, otherwise it was in the way of the door slider. And then every time you wanted to close the gate again, it took half of the toilet wall with this.
So we're looking forward to make more amazing stuff over here in the studio, and just feel free to visit. And this was the tour of the studio. See you later. Cheers.